Nutritious food is the need of hour. Can you guess the ingredient which is highly nutritious, improves brain functionality, has high concentration of antioxidants, helps to fight against diabetes, and is golden brown in color and is natural sweetener? I hope you guess it right. Yes, we are talking about dates or khajur. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are going to make a pancake recipe, date pancakes. So here we are using some dates, honey, watermelon slices, some mint, tamarind, egg whites, sugar and all-purpose flour. So now we are making the date jam. So I am using half bowl of water and I am putting it in the pan. Now I am adding some dates to it. I have used 10 dates. Now I am adding some tamarind water. You can also add as per your own taste. So cook it for 2 minutes and after that we will add some honey to it. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of honey to it. You can also add a little bit more if you want, like 1.5. I am also adding pinch of salt and to enhance the taste. Now keep it aside for 15 minutes then grind it and put it in freezer for 20 minutes. Ingredients for batter. So here we will be making 3 batters. So the main ingredients are all-purpose flour, egg white, mint paste and watermelon juice. 3 batters. So for preparing the pancakes we will be using 3 batters. Number 1, white batter. So in this we have used egg white, all-purpose flour, water, cinnamon and grated sugar. Number 2 is the watermelon batter. In this we have used watermelon juice, cinnamon, all-purpose flour. Number 3 is the mint batter. So in this we have used mint paste which we made by adding curd, salt and mint and then we grinded it. Then we have used all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt and egg white. After making these batters, freeze it for 20 minutes to get better. We have added 1 teaspoon of olive oil and now we are going to add the batter to the pan. So after 2 minutes we have turned it upside down and it looks like, we can see that it is golden brown in color. Now we are making watermelon pancake. So I am adding the batter to the pan. After adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil to it, it looks very yummy. Now cook for 1.5 minutes to other side and then it's ready. After adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the pan, we are just adding the mint batter mixture in the pan so as to make a pancake. You can see the sizzles. It turned out to be perfectly green as expected. Now cook the other side for 1.5 minutes. So these are the prepared pancakes and this is the date jam which we prepared. Plating the pancakes. So now I'm going to apply the date jam. Now I'm going to place one pancake over the other. To form a pillar, a shape of a pillar. Adding a little bit of honey and finally grated sugar over it. Voila! Food for thought. This recipe is dedicated to all friends on occasion of Friendship Day. The three colors symbolizes different people from different states and countries, and date jam symbolizes the bond that they share. So this tower structure symbolizes the bond, the strength of the friendship. Happy Friendship Day. Recap for the recipe. So to prepare date pancakes, the main ingredients are all-purpose flour, watermelon, 1 bowl mint, 1 egg white, honey, sugar, tamarind and 10 dates. So first step is preparation of date jam. Add 1 bowl of water in a pan, then add 10 dates. After 45 seconds, add tamarind water to it and cook on medium flame. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt and cook for 2 minutes. Keep it aside and let it cool down for 15 minutes and grind it. Then freeze it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now main ingredients for pancake: all-purpose flour, watermelon juice, mint paste, cinnamon, grinded sugar, egg white and water. So we will make 3 batters. One is white batter, in which we have used egg white, all-purpose flour, water, cinnamon and grated sugar. Second one is watermelon batter, in which we have used watermelon juice, cinnamon, all-purpose flour, water. And third one is mint batter. In this we have used mint paste, which we have made from curd, salt and mint, and after that grinding it we get a mint paste. All-purpose flour, salt and egg white. Preparation of pancakes. So for each pancake, heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil in each and cook it on slow flame. So this recipe is ready. So here we get the tasty date pancakes. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.